Hey, Kitty Cat, thank you for the question. And to answer your question, no, I don't quite remember your last comment, but to answer this comment is yes, if he is not protecting you from his family, it's a red flag. If you're not protecting him from your family, it's a red flag. So keep that in mind as well. Because when he leaves his family and you leave your family and you guys become one, you both need to work together to protect each other from any outside forces, whether it's your friends, whether it's your family, whether it's his friends or his family. Uh, Not everyone likes someone to be happy, right? So think about these things as you guys go throughout your relationship. Talk about it, and try to overcome these obstacles if you want to stay together. Again, if they aren't protecting you, there's an issue, in my opinion. Again, talk it over with your partner and see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.